Welcome back to our channel. If you have ever been confused by prepositions like in, at, on, or to, you are in the right place. Today we are going to learn prepositions of time, place, and direction with real-life examples and interactive practices to see how they work in everyday conversations. Let's get started.
Hey Jake, glad you could make it to the cafe on such short notice.
No problem, Emma. I was just finishing some work at home. So, what are your plans for the weekend?
Well, I'm planning to go to the beach on Saturday morning. Do you want to come?
That sounds like fun. What time are you leaving?
I'm thinking of leaving at 8 a.m. We can get there early and enjoy the whole day on the sand.
Perfect. I can pick you up at your place at 7:30 a.m. Is that okay?
Sounds good. I also want to go to the farmer's market in the afternoon. They have the best fresh vegetables.
It's in the town square, right?
Yes, exactly. It's open from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m., so we have plenty of time to check it out after the beach.
Great plan. By the way, how about the new bakery on the corner of Maple Street?
Yes, their pastries are amazing. We should get some on our way back from the beach.
Good idea. Let's do that. So, Saturday is all set.
Absolutely. Looking forward to it.
Me too. See you on Saturday morning then.
See you then.
First, prepositions of time. These prepositions help us talk about when something happens. Common prepositions of time include at, on, and in. Let's look at some examples. We have dinner at 7 p.m. Here, at specifies the exact time. The movie starts at 2:30. We also use at for other time phrases. At night, at midday, or at midnight, at breakfast, at lunch or lunchtime, at dinner or dinner time, at the weekend, at weekends. Let's see more examples. I'll see you tomorrow at breakfast. She's a nurse and she works at night. There is never much conversation at dinner time in my family. The baby often wakes up at midnight. I like to relax at the weekend. I have a meeting on Monday. On is used for days and dates. My birthday is on July 22nd. We can use on for other phrases. On Saturday morning. On Tuesdays means every Tuesday. On Friday evening. On my birthday. On Christmas Day. On September 12th. On 3rd May. We go on vacation in spring. We usually use in for parts of the day and longer periods of time, such as months, seasons, and years. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in spring, in summer, in fall, in winter, in July, in March, in 1996, in 2030, in the 21st century. Let's have more examples. What time do you get up in the morning? I first met her at university in 2007. In summer, it is too hot to do anything. Don't forget, for parts of the day we say in the morning or in the afternoon, but we say at night. Remember, at the weekend is British English. On the weekend is American English. Don't forget, for months we use in. For example, in September. But when we have the exact date, we use on. For example, on 6th September. On the 2nd of August. pay attention. We say at Christmas, but we say on Christmas Day. Time for a quick practice. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition of time. Ready? Let's go. Great job! The answers are: the meeting starts at 9 a.m. I was born in April. We celebrate New Year's on January 1st. She usually exercises in the morning. Let's talk about prepositions of place. These prepositions tell us where something is. Common ones include at, in, and on. For example, he's waiting at the bus stop. At is used for specific points and place where something happens. For example, at the bank, at the party, at home, at work, at school. Think about being inside a building. You would say, she's in the library. In is used to show being inside an enclosed space with walls or sides. For example, in a box, in a room, in an office, in the cabinet. In can also be used for a big area, in a park, in a garden, in a village or in the countryside, in a town or in a city, in London, in Spain, in Asia, in the world. If you're talking about something on a surface, you use on. For example, the books are on the table. There are shelves on the wall. On the first floor. On is also used for something long. For example, on the road, on the coast, on a river. Don't forget the difference between on and over. On is used when there is any type of contact, but over is used when something is on top but there is no contact. Look at the example. There is a plant on the table and there are lamps over the table. Remember, on the river, in the river. Let's practice again. Choose the right preposition of place. Well done. The answers are: the kids are playing in the park. She left her phone on the kitchen counter. The picture is on the wall. The keys are in the drawer. Last but not least, let's look at prepositions of direction. These prepositions show movement from one place to another. If you are going somewhere, you use to. For example, I am going to the store. To describe entering a space, use into. For example, she walked into the room. They went through the tunnel. Through shows movement within something. Let's see more phrases. Get into the house. Get out of the house. Go up the stairs. Go down the stairs. Go across the street. Go along the road. Go under. go over, go across the bridge. Go through the gate. Go towards the hill. Go past the cafe. The men's shop on the corner of the street. One last practice. Choose the correct prepositions of direction. Well done. The correct answers are: they are traveling to Paris. He jumped into the pool. We walked to the park. They are driving towards the beach. The coffee shop is on the corner of the street. Now, let's put everything together in a short story.
There was a girl named Letitia. In the summer, she decided to visit her grandmother in the countryside. She planned to leave at 7 a.m. on Monday. She had a short trip by train. When she reached her grandmother's house, she helped her grandmother cook a delicious meal and served it on the table. After the meal, Emily and her grandmother went to the garden. Emily climbed onto a tree and picked some apples. They had a wonderful time in the garden on that lovely summer evening.
Thanks for watching. Now you know how to use prepositions of time, place, and direction. Practice these examples in your daily conversations and you will master them in no time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Comment below with your own sentences using prepositions. I'd love to read them. See you next time.